Mar Raro at your service. Express News.
Anong pakiramdam ng isang tinanghal na San Jose o Ginoong San Jose?
I'm still contemplating things and it's overwhelming, very thankful and so blessed to have this opportunity, and it's just very unexpected since all the candidates are very talented. We have our unique talents po.
So ano yung tanong sa'yo?
The question was, do I agree or does it matter the age in, or does the age matter in leadership? And my answer was, it's no. As long as you are passionate in taking a lead, as long as you have a heart, spirit, and you want to serve other people, you can do whatever.
So what's your advice to the young leaders?
So to young leaders, personally, I am the senator of Occidental Mindoro State College, SG Federation, and my advice is just keep the fire burning in their heart when in leadership. So no matter what struggles they will encounter, they will continue providing for the rest of the students.
So naniniwala ka ba na ang corruption ay nagsisimula sa bababa, sa mga kabataan?
I think, sir, yes, there is a part na nangyayari po yun.
Anong dapat gawin?
As we start in taking a lead, be honest po. It's one thing that we can do for our constituents and for the people that we're serving, because we are the servers of them. We are not the boss.
Okay, are you sure na makukopo mo yung sa Mr. Awarawatan?
Yes po. I and Miss Ayn will make San Joseños proud.
Okay, confidently na ilang person?
9% din po as well as Miss Ayn.
Sabi niya 11 daw. Gahigitan ng 11.
Gagawin po namin 12.
At 12?
Yes po.
Okay. So, message mo sa mga katulad mong mga kabataan.
So, a message to all youth out there that break the comfort zone, get out of your box, and explore the things, because there's much to explore in our world. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you and good luck.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Kayo'y nakikinig kay Mar Raro at your service.